我们现在要来介绍 TPM 的点焊机操作方式。
然后首先打开电源开关。
Okay, the first thing we need to turn on the power here.
然后我们的电流调整是依目数来决定我们电流调整的数量。那原则上我们就以最小的下去先微调。
Okay, the first one we need to set the current setting. Okay, in the first step we always start from the lowest one. Start with the 1, and this will depend on what kind of size of the mesh you use.
那时间的地方，我们就是一样，都是在1秒的时间内都不动。
The second one is the time setting, and also we start with 1.
那下面这一个开关呢，也是电流的调整。那原则上我们一样都是在2。
Also, this one is for the current adjustment as well. And the default setting is always set at 2. The only reason we will switch it to 1 or depend on the size of the mesh. Okay, we have 2 different size of screen, mesh screen. Okay, this one is a higher mesh, higher number, and you can feel by hand is much thinner. And this is a lower screen mesh, and it's thicker. So depend on the thickness of the screen mesh. So if we are going to use a higher mesh with a thinner one, we have to lower down the current setting from the 2 to 1.
OK， 那接下来就是点焊的技巧，点焊的教学。
And next we are going to demonstrate how we are going to do the mesh welding.
因为两片网子，你网子在衔接的时候，接1米宽。
Okay, the overlap is around 1 millimeter.
1米宽。然后拿起点焊枪。
And this is a weld gun.
用你的焊棒接触网子，然后开关
And
在
just
手
like
上
a TIG welder, use your
压了就
finger.
放。那网子有溶于另外一片网上面。
And that's the way we do the screen mesh welding, spot welding.
这样子。
Like this.
那如果说你觉得它粘的不是很紧，可以再调电流。
If you feel the overlap spot is not strong enough, you can increase the current setting here.
可以往上1、2、3，然后调到你需要的。
Until you feel the strength is strong enough. So this is the basic introduction of our TPM welding, spot welding machine.